This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the crab box. So this is a very quick and simple little project. This is the base, and you want to fold everything up. I'm just going to put this will be a cute little treat box for a party. And again, super quick and simple. Okay, I have already put the backs on my eyeballs there, and I'm gonna put the claws on. And you just want to, when you put your eyes on, you just want to, leave a little, kind of give it a border around the top. And then he has a big happy smile. And then he just glues right on the front. So just line his eyes up. These two bottom feet should be right in the bottom corners. And that is it. Simple, fast, cute. You can put a little cellophane bag in there with some treats. Thank you for joining me.